Right, get close to it, Isaac. I'm freaked. I don't know where this is gonna go toward. Is it go up in the air or is it just flash? Oh shit. Oh my god. Oh, that was loud. Someone set off the alarm. Oh my gosh. That happens so why can't they make like a thing that you can turn your car alarm off and on?
Oh yeah.
For like the 4th of July, everybody just turns their shit off.
Yeah, no, you think they could.
Oh wow, what are those ones? Oh, these are all loud ones, people, because Isaac wanted to mess with our neighbors.
Yeah.
So he asked for the loudest ones, like, ooh, look at those fireworks. Yeah, we didn't get to go to the main downtown ones we wanted to do, Marina Del Rey. So we're doing our own.
Yeah.
In a parking lot, because it's better than our area. But other people do this too, so you're allowed to. Careful, Isaac. Oh shit. What's this? Oh! Oh my gosh!
It spins.
Oh, that's so cool. Yeah, I think she did say something about that one. Oh, there's another one on there. Oh, I'm getting low on the charge, so. Oh my gosh. It actually, ah!
That is cool how it does that.